Hello Treebuds, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a realistic version of Mojo Jojo female style. Oh my god, look at all of the details, my dudes. Oh my god, it turned out so well. Also, let me know if you want a tutorial on the brain hat. So first, what you're going to need to do to start this process is make sure that your hair is pulled back. You do not want anything messing up your hair. Spirit gum and liquid latex will ruin your hair, so you want to make sure it's pulled back using a hairnet. This style is my favorite because it has openings on both sides, easy to use, and the elastic helps actually secure it to your head without giving you a headache for days. Yeah, so simple, very easy to use, and yeah, looking like a weirdo. Coming soon, Makeup and Murder's Toxic Waste. They are water activated cream liners. Yes, I said cream because you can use them super wet or you can use them a little dry, and they are very, very pigmented. The hairnet's killing me. All right, going back in with some Makeup and Murder neon pigment. And now some Spirit Gum. Spirit Gum is like a super glue for your skin. You're gonna need this to lay down the prosthetic. It's going to make sure it stays securely. And I did get the prosthetic from Etsy, from Ape Shark, $50. You can reuse the prosthetics if you take care of it, but if you don't want to, you can use modeling wax. Modeling wax works out really well. You can get it from Moran Makeup. I'm using a clear liquid latex, and I'm just going around the edges. As you can see, I went around the edges of the mask, and I'm also doing it around the lips and the eyes. I probably used about 20 layers. It's so satisfying when you see no seams. Once you layer it up, it becomes stronger. Your skin underneath will get a little sweaty, so you want to make sure that your liquid latex is not peeling, and Spirit Gum helps that out a lot. So I'm telling you, mix those two together. It is a beautiful combination. The lime green from Moran Makeup is really, really nice. It turned out so well for Mojo Jojo, even though I don't look so happy. I am so happy underneath this prosthetic. It makes me look so mad, but I'm not. Go into all of the creases, make sure that you're not seeing any skin tones. And yeah, now add some definition with some Makeup and Murder neon pigment. I also used the Holiday green pigment from Makeup and Murder to add more definition, darken it up. And as you can see, it was just coming together. I was so freaking proud. And of course, you have to go around the edges. You just want to make this so realistic as possible. You need to make sure all of the creases have a little bit of definition. And now this part, look. Oh my god, I didn't have to do anything special. Look at those hairs right off the bat. I was already shocked. I was like, okay, okay. And then again to the other side. Oh, so satisfying. But the most satisfying part is this. Look. Oh my god. I was just like, oh, why am I fantasizing over myself right now? Yeah. Sophie looks adorable. So you just need to go around, paint up the neck. I did not have to do my chest, which it's whatever, I did. And then I went in with some black eyeshadow to matte it up because you see how shiny I am. And now went in with some Straighten Up, the Poison Highlights from Makeup and Murder. This is a new product that just launched. We use them for like glass face, basically, to make your face look glass. I mean, like, look at me. I already look so wet in the face. It's so beautiful. I look like I have snot rolling, which I love it. I think it's great. It's a great look. You guys have to let me know how you feel about this look. Oh, I did do some tutorials on TikTok, Tbagtree, go check them out. The nose cuffs I got from Etsy. Yes, just try to accessorize as much as possible, and that is it. Watching it back, I was literally shocked. My camera picked up so much detail, so beautiful. And again, let me know if you want to know more about the brain hat. It was pretty simple. Love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.